Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
And they will develop the ground and maintain it. They will maintain it also.
So everything you have to do to us.
Yes. And once they are finished, you give 2 hours. So they eventually want कि since we are doing some CSR activity, to give us some relaxation in the ground rent that we charge. So that's a separate matter. We will consider that. But as it is, we have no problem in giving 2 hours every day for the local panchayat free of cost. So our ground gets developed. They maintain it for I think 1 or 2 years, and then we can provide them this facility. We will allow panchayat to use that for 2 hours every day without cost. So it's a win-win for them also and for us also and panchayat also. So people can use it free of cost. We will send you their proposal to you and have a look at it. And so then we can.
That's Madam Vandana Rao, SAG Director. I'm request केलं का और last 5 years वो ground काही activities असताना काही gate बंद करून आले काही चलना देखून आम्ही त्याका inspection करपाक request केले आणि within short time ते आयले आणि आज inspection झाले आणि inspection झालं almost building ready आहे पण groundची pitch आहा ती incomplete आहे सगळं infrastructure बाहेर सगळं ready आहे सो आता मॅडमान आमकां assurance दिला की pitch complete करतली within short time. प्लस आम्ही प्रपोजल घातला ताका एक जॉगिंग ट्रॅकाचो आनी भायली स्पेस आहा जावं बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट धाकटो फिफा हेजो फुटसालाचो ग्रावंड धाकटो ग्रावंड करपाक स्केटींग करपाक भुरग्यांक ही स्पेस आमकां दी म्हूण आनी ऑलमोस्ट आमकां ही डायरेक्टर रेडी जालो दिवपाक सो विथीन आतां नेक्स्ट विकान हें क्लिनींग चालू जातलें आनी दुसरें प्रपोजल पिच्चाचें तेंय प्रपोजल घालपाक तें रेडी जाल्या आनी आमी आनी एक रिक्वेस्ट केला ताका आमकां वर्ल्ड कप वुमन्स अंडर 17 आहा आमचो हो ग्रावंड कन्सिडर कर म्हूण हिंगा खेळपाक सो तेंय आमचें मानून घेतलो ती प्रपोजल घालता म्हणला आनी म्हाका दिसता ऑलमोस्ट आमची जातली आनी हिंगा वर्ल्ड कप अंडर 17 वुमन्स जालें जाल्यार हो ग्रावंडाचें कामूय आमचें फास्ट जातलें विथीन 2-3 मंथ्स कंप्लीट जातलें आनी हिंगा सगळे एक्टिविटीज चालू जातले.
आयज बरें दिसलें कित्याक आमची डिरेक्टर SCG मॅम वंदना राव एट द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ MLA ऑनरेबल MLA CRUZ SILVA येयली प्रॉम्प्टली येयली आनी एज आय वॉज accompanying her I realized that she was quite excited to see this ground with so many facilities, with such a good infrastructure, and therefore I would really appreciate the Benjamin who was MLA that time. I really want to appreciate his work that he had put in that time. It was good work. Unfortunately, he could not maybe complete it, but I really want to salute the work and his involvement in getting such a state-of-art facility in the village. So now I think it's our present MLA will take that further to completion, and this will become a community center. You know, a ground is not just a ground for the SAG or for the sports directorate. It is an asset of the village, and that's what we have been talking to them. Make it a community hub where our youngsters will get to play. Maybe there will be a number of spaces on the back extension of the ground which will be used for social entrepreneurship. You know, so we'll have a sustainability of the village around the ground. Many of our guys who are working abroad could invest in, and they could be, you know, looking at these spaces as places where they would be investing, and tomorrow being at home, having their living without having to go abroad. So many opportunities are there, and more than anything, like हांव ह्या ग्रावंडाचे हेड व्हड जाला फुटबॉल आमकां ते एक आमगे पयली आदली ग्रेस काय आमकां परतून दिवप अशी दॅट दीस इज वेर वी बॉन्डेड टुगेदर एज अ विलेज आमी सगळे गांवचे हेडले मेळ्ळे आतां ते हेडपा बरोबर आमकां एक इंटरनॅशनल लेवल स्टेडियम एस जालो तो आमचो एक प्रायड वाडलो तेच जाग्याचेर आमगेलीं भुरगीं सायकलींग केलें स्केटींग केलें तेच जाग्याचेर जावं एक हेल्थ क्लिनीक येयली एक बरें फिटनस क्लब येयलो एक स्पोर्ट एक मल्टी कितें म्हणटाय तेका शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स येयलें सो हाऊ कम्युनिटी वील रिवॉल्व अराउंड दीस हब. I really pray that this happens, and I wish our MLA, who is taking straight away from the time he is elected straight into the work of restoring the wealth of the village back to the village. I wish him good health and I pray for him. And I thank the authorities for having come and taken notice of it.
Father, your good name?
I'm Father Alan Tavares, Gaunso, Tode Kandiyavilo.
Whatever we have asked, whatever we have promised, we'll work on it. So we are thinking, let's say in another 5-6 months it should be ready. And we'll try our best to get it as a venue for FIFA Under 17.